Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mahalo ukulele is probably one of the most accessible and enjoyable instruments to pick up, especially if you're looking for something portable and fun. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Mahalo ukulele, exploring its sound, playability, and overall value. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned musician, this review will help you decide if the Mahalo ukulele is the right choice for you and your musical journey. Number 5. Ranch UK 23 Concert Ukulele Beginner Kit. This ukulele's arched back gives a fuller, warmer tone that's a joy to hear. The soft tequila strings resonate clearly and stay in tune, play after play. This Ranch concert ukulele is a true work of art. The elegant sapele wood body and mahogany neck create a warm, deep tone. Its lightweight design makes it easy to create beautiful harmonies. With 12 online video lessons, it's easy to learn. The size is perfect for beginners and intermediate players, with frets spaced for comfortable playing. It's a great gift for anyone. The chrome die-cast tuning pegs keep it in tune effortlessly. The included digital tuner makes it simple. It stays in tune longer, offering a bright tone for any style of playing. The kit includes everything you need: the ukulele with tequila strings, a gig bag, a digital tuner, an extra set of strings, a strap, a polishing cloth, and online lessons. It has everything a beginner needs to start playing. What we like? This ukulele's warm and deep tone will make your music sound amazing. The included online lessons make learning easy, perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a complete kit to start your ukulele journey, this is the one for you. What people say. The ukulele has a beautiful sound. The strings are easy to press down, making it great for beginners. The ukulele is well made and looks great. Number 4. Hola. Music UT 100 Clip-On Tuner. Are you learning to play the ukulele? This clip-on tuner is perfect for you. It's quick and accurate, helping you tune your instrument with ease. Get 2 months of free live video lessons when you purchase this tuner. You can interact with expert instructors and learn at your own pace. Contact us with your order number to claim this offer. This tuner features a high-sensitivity vibration sensor. It has 2 tuning modes, ukulele and chromatic. It accurately detects the vibrations from your instrument. The display rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to adjust it to any angle for easy viewing. The screen turns green when the instrument is in tune, providing excellent visibility day or night. It has 1-button operation and includes a battery. Clear instructions are included to guide you. It's designed to make tuning your ukulele simple and straightforward. What we like? This tuner offers quick and accurate tuning, ensuring your ukulele always sounds its best. The rechargeable feature is convenient, and the 360-degree display provides easy viewing from any angle. If you value convenience and accuracy, this tuner is a must-have for your ukulele. What people say. It clipped on the head of the uke, the display was large and easy to read, and showed which string you were working on. It's better to shell out $11 for something that looks nice, is easy to read, accurate, and reliable than to go for something cheap that works once. Like that, the uke mode displays the string number, 1 to 4, as well as the note, G, C, E, A. It also shows the percent below if you are flat or the percent above if you are sharp. Number 3. CAHAYA 21-inch Mahogany Ukulele Beginner Kit. This ukulele features an arch-shaped back for enhanced sound resonance. The design focuses sound reflection, resulting in a more concentrated and powerful sound quality. Crafted from high-quality mahogany, this ukulele delivers a full and powerful mid-bass tone. The warm tones of the mahogany wood are fully expressed. The kit includes a gig bag, rainbow strap, and fretboard stickers. It's an ideal entry-level package, providing everything needed to start playing. This instrument is suitable for all music lovers wanting to try fingerstyle and singing. It's also easy to carry around. This is an easy-to-learn instrument, perfect for anyone interested in music. It makes an intimate gift for people of all ages. What we like? The mahogany wood provides a full and powerful mid-bass tone. The arch-shaped back enhances the sound reflection. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-learn instrument with a rich sound, this ukulele is perfect for you. What people say. The ukulele has a beautiful sound. The strings are easy to press down. The ukulele is well made. Number 2. Donner DUS 221-inch Mahogany Ukulele Beginner Kit. This ukulele is made with a smooth mahogany body, which produces a crisp and pleasant sound. The rosewood fingerboard and bridge provide comfortable playability. It has a semi-open finish that has been polished for a smooth feel. The mahogany body and neck give this ukulele a rich, bright, and warm sound. The high-density bone nut and saddle, combined with the Aquila carbon nylon strings, provide clear resonance and sustain. You'll love the sound it makes. This kit includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with a gig bag, strap, tuner, extra strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth. It's a great gift for anyone interested in learning the ukulele. Get started quickly with the included free online video lessons. They are designed for beginners and easy to understand. It's a great way to learn and have fun. The patented chrome-plated tuners keep the ukulele in tune. The digital clip-on tuner makes tuning easy. With 18 brass frets and fret position marks, it's easy to find the notes. What we like? The mahogany craftsmanship gives the ukulele a crisp and pleasant sound. The warm and rich sound will make your music more enjoyable. If you want a complete starter kit with a beautiful sound, this ukulele is a great choice. What people say. The ukulele is well made and has a beautiful sound. The design is very attractive. The strings are easy to press down on, making it easier to play. Number 1. Donner 21 Soprano Ukulele Starter Kit. This kit is designed with beginners in mind. It includes everything you need to start learning the ukulele right away. It's an all-inclusive package, perfect for anyone starting their musical journey. Inside, you'll find a soprano ukulele, a gig bag, a tuner, extra strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this bundle has you covered. It's a great way to get started. The Donner ukulele delivers a warm and rich sound. Crafted from mahogany, the body and neck provide a bright and warm tone. The high-quality strings and bone nut enhance the resonance and sustain. The ukulele comes in a range of colors. The unique polishing process ensures comfortable playability and durability. It's a fantastic gift for any occasion. Tuning is straightforward with the chrome-plated tuners. The digital clip-on tuner makes it even easier. The fret position marks help you find the right notes quickly. Learn to play with ease thanks to the free online video lessons. You can become a better player faster. This bundle is a great set for adults, beginners, or professionals. What we like? This ukulele is designed with beginners in mind, including everything you need to start playing. The full-bodied sound will make your music sound great. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-learn instrument with a rich sound, this ukulele is perfect for you. What people say. The ukulele is well made and has a beautiful sound. The strings are easy to press down on, making it easier to learn. The ukulele is a great size for both adults and children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.